physics update from Antti Siivonen, who is I understand he is the chair of the physics board.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Antti and I will give you a short update of physics. I think the audience knows what physics is, but I will give you a brief summary. So, physics is a leading internet exchange in Finland. We are founded in 1993, being one of the oldest internet exchanges in the world. We are a non-profit organization. We have 5 sites and 3 different IXPs. And we are hosting some root servers as well. Here is a summary of current status of physics. We have 60 customers and customer base annual growth rate is 20%. Our peak traffic record this year is 444 gigabits and traffic is growing 75% per year. Interesting fact is that the Physics 2 share of traffic is 93%. We are third largest IX in the Nordics in terms of traffic volume. Our peering platform is very reliable. We haven't had a single fault in decades. Our focus is peering. We will not offer you unnecessary Arduino services that you don't need, and we do not compete with our customers. We don't have any traffic limits. The more traffic you have, the better for us. You don't have to commit to long-term contract, as we don't have that option at all. 100G is our best-selling product. Our port price list is among the cheapest in Europe. Same price for all customers. Next. A few words about our northernmost internet exchange, Physics 3. It's our smallest IXP, but currently there are 10 customers and it's growing. For years we had only 5 customers there, but now customer base have doubled. We will soon have new Nokia hardware in place, and then we will get support for 400G ports in Oulu. So it's a bit funny that we started the 400G upgrade on our lowest traffic IX point. Next. So, what does the future of physics look like? In the near future, we will have over 100 members and over 1 terabit traffic. The figures are based on our current growth. We will become the second largest IX in the Nordics in the terms of traffic volume. The 100G port will be our most common product, as we also plan to crash its price once we get the hardware paid for. Next. Okay, so how we are going to do all this? Well, we have 1,000 employees and over 1 billion turnover. Okay, it was a joke. In reality, we don't have any employees. Our revenue is almost nothing, and it won't grow because we offer our services almost for free. Next. We aim for zero profit, and if there is any money left over at the end of the year, we throw it out the window. Did you know that in December the most common question tourist asks in Finland, where is physics office and where is their window? The answer is we don't even have office. So how we do it? Well, we have a board of 5 people and they all have their own superpowers. Next. And we have outsourced our hardware operation to selected partners. Next. Here is our new price list, which will come into effect at the beginning of the year. We introduced a new 100G port with LR1 optic, which can save you some money. We also decided on the price for the 400G port, which is currently only available in Oulu. Next. Next, some information about Physics 1 and Physics 2 hardware update. The board was just authorized to acquire new hardware and service operator for Physics 1 and/or Physics 2 in next year. Our goal is to modernize the hardware and bring 400G ports to the market. Finally, who should join Physics? All organizations that have an AS number and their own IP addresses. The main benefit is that your network will be more accessible after joining. You can also save money if you exchange a large amount of traffic. We will be happy to tell you how your organization benefits from joining Physics. I am here until the evening, so come and talk if you want to hear more.